Hi, my name is Guliano. The name of my...
Okay, let's.
Hi. What? Pulling it.
Step a little closer.
Hi, my name is Juliana. The name of my invention is the Picker Upper 5000. The purpose of my invention is for picking up so you don't have to bend down. This is how my invention works. You have to pull the lever up and then down. So when you pull the lever down, it shuts, but when you pull the lever up, it opens. And this side is so you can pick up stuff. Pick up backpacks. And also, so last time I was working, I didn't have anything on here, and I pulled it back and it got my hand, but now I pull it back, it can't get my hand because of the paper. This invention will help others by if you have a sore back, you can pinch and pick up stuff.